Welcome to HowToRepairCarpet.com. Today we're going to demonstrate the Carpet Repair Patch Pad. A Carpet Repair Patch Pad has an aluminum coated material on the top and a pervious material on the bottom. It has been soaked with water. It's not dripping wet, but it is completely fully wet. We're going to demonstrate how it works. The Carpet Patch Pad allows you to patch or repair a carpet without professional carpet installation tools. We're going to use a household iron. Professional carpet irons are expensive and they're not necessary. Industrial glue guns are not necessary, and professional carpet repair tools are not necessary in order to make a professional carpet patch or repair a carpet seam using the Carpet Patch Pad. We're going to first slide the carpet patch glue pad underneath the carpet and center it. It's got a black line down the middle, which allows you to center the glue pad under the carpet and make sure that it's not wrinkled under there. The patch has already been cut out of the closet and trimmed to fit into the hole where the repair is being done. This carpet had been clawed, and a hole had been clawed in it by a pet who had been trapped in the bedroom and wanted to get out desperately, and has already been trimmed off. Now you take the patch and stick it in there and make sure that it fits firmly into the area. Using the carpet grooming comb, we brush over it. You can see the little fibers that are loose come out. The backing fibers are sticking up. We'll trim those off later. You can trim them off now. You can trim them off after the patch pad has been used. And you stick the wet patch pad, centering it on the area that needs to be patched, which is about right here, like this. And you take a household iron on high cotton setting and you stick it over the area where the seams of the patch are. Firmly press down and wait for 60 seconds. The aluminum coated material creates a situation where the heat does not come up, but the heat is pushed down through the pervious material, allowing the steam to carry the heat down to the carpet repair patch pad glue pad that is underneath the carpet. We wait for 60 seconds, and then we're going to move the iron over a little bit so that we're covering all areas of the carpet seam. The steam from the carpet repair patch pad also helps to loosen the stiffness of the backing of the carpet so that the backing of the pad and the backing of the carpet are not binding against each other. It helps to loosen the twist of the yarn because in most situations the patch is needed in a traffic area where the fraying and wear of the traffic area have untwisted the twist of the yarn, and then you're taking a piece out of the closet which has never been walked on, and sometimes the two don't match. Now you'll notice that I've turned the iron over because the iron is shaped like a triangle, and by turning it over I can get a nice square area that will cover all the areas of the patch underneath the carpet. And again, wait for another 60 seconds. The steam is also helps to bleed the colors of the dyes together so that the carpet from the closet is not a drastically different color from the carpet in your traffic area. The traffic areas will typically fade from wear and from sun exposure, whereas the closet carpet will typically be a little darker. And we got the patch out of the closet. We got the piece of carpet that we used for the patch out of the closet. Okay, I take the iron off after 60 seconds, remove it, use the carpet grooming comb to lightly fluff the fibers so that the steam, as it dries and cools, does not set the yarn in a flattened position. You want them to be fluffed up, and again, it takes some of the loose fibers out. Make sure that the fibers are not tucked down into the glue patch pad tape on the bottom. These backing threads can either be cut with a utility knife or with a pair of household scissors to remove them, and as it cools, it dries. Now the glue is not completely dry from the patch pad, glue pad underneath the carpet until it's completely cooled off. So it has to be cool before you know that it's completely dry. Again, a professional carpet cleaner would be using, or a professional carpet installation man would be using what's called a tractor. You can use this handy grooming comb, carpet grooming comb. Instead, you can use a utility knife instead of a professional carpet knife. You can use a household iron instead of a professional carpet iron. And then all you need is the carpet patch pad to go with it. Now this is cooled off fairly well, and so I can brush it a little harder. You can see that a few little fibers come out of the seams, which is fine. It's holding up really well. Some of the fibers may need to be just trimmed a tiny bit. Get them loose, and as it cools off, it's tight. Look, that patch is in there. It's not going anywhere, and it cannot be seen. Thank you for watching our video. Come see us at www.howtorepaircarpet.com.